Good morning. I hope everybody's doing fine today. We are going for trekking, so I start here at the dairy farm, which is open from 7 in the morning until 7 in the evening daily. The sunrise is so nice and it gives me a refreshing morning. Okay, let's give myself a selfie for today. I just started walking, but I feel I'm sweating a lot already. Let's go on this path. So nice. Yeah, but I think I have to go back because I see no one here. I think I'm lost. Anyway, we just follow the other people trekking today, but making sure that social distance is observed along the way. Wow, we're climbing there on top. Wow, it is definitely tiring, but I am enjoying it. Look at that! We are here on top. Now moving on to this part of the forest. And it's kinda scary, so hopefully no snakes wave to me today. It looks like no ending stairs. I'm a bit tired, but I have to move on because I don't want to be stuck in here. And I still keep the smile on my face, though I am really tired. Wow, it's great! I reached the summit. They call it Bukit Timah Summit, and I am so happy, and it's absolutely a great experience. Finding my way out to this forest, and I am glad to be here. The experience is gratifying. We are here at the exhibition hall on the feet of the mountain. Well, these are the different types of woods derived from this forest. It says here that there were lions here before, and the government awarded to those people who were able to kill the lions because it gave danger to human. And these are the fruits and seeds that can be found here in the forest. Wow, what a great experience here at Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. I hope you enjoyed watching my short video. Thank you!